Sit back and relax in the comfort of your home. Amana.
Welcome back to another episode of Lifestyles of the Cool and Cozy, brought to you by the great folks at Amana Brand Heating and Air Conditioning.
We're off to a part of the country today where everyone makes energy efficiency a top priority.
I'm Tim Baldwin.
And I'm Olivia Perez, your host on a tour across the country to meet homeowners who are learning how to make better heating and cooling choices.
With some help from Amana Heating and Air Conditioning, of course.
Yes, always. We're off to meet George and Mary Ann.
Wow, it's pretty spacious in here. I'll bet cooling this can be pretty expensive if you don't have a high-efficiency cooling system.
You're so right. That's why we were pretty happy when the Amana dealer explained all the energy efficiency ratings to us. We learned about SEER.
Seasonal energy efficiency ratio?
To tell you the truth, we didn't even know this kind of rating existed. But the Amana dealer made learning about it simple.
So now you know the higher the SEER number, the more efficient the unit.
Yes, and our Amana brand system has a pretty high number.
Is that why you went with them?
Well, that and Amana brand is made to be extremely durable and dependable.
Plus, Amana brand is designed, engineered, and assembled in the USA.
Well, all I know is it's pretty cool in here and it's pretty hot outside.
Speaking of outside, we've got to hit the road again.
Yes.
It's nice to meet you.
It's been a pleasure.
Nice to
Thank you
meet
so
you.
much.
Thank
It's a
you for
beautiful
coming
house.
out.
Watch for our motorhome in your town.
Because Lifestyles of the Cool and Cozy could wind up anywhere.
I'm heading to the nearest drive-thru because I'm starving.
I'm gonna have a double bacon cheeseburger with fries and a chocolate milkshake.
I'm having that, and then I think we need to make a second stop for some pizza, maybe.
Oh yeah, I'm down.
Yeah.
Amana.